In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Google Cloud project. Whether you're just getting started with Google Cloud or setting up a new environment for a specific app or client, creating a project is the very first step. Everything you do in Google Cloud, from running virtual machines to using databases or APIs, lives inside a project, so it's important to set it up correctly from the beginning. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Google account and on the Google Cloud Console homepage in your browser. You don't need anything advanced prepared ahead of time, but it does help to have a project name in mind and a rough idea of which organization or folder it should belong to if you're working in a team or company environment. Let's begin from the main Google Cloud Console screen. Look toward the top left corner for the main navigation icon. This is often called the navigation menu or hamburger menu. Go ahead and open the navigation panel. When you click it, a large side menu will slide out from the left, showing different sections of the console. From this navigation panel, you're going to look for the section labeled I am and admin. This section controls identity, access, and management of your resources. Once you find I am an admin, click on it and then select Manage Resources. This is where Google lets you view and organize all your projects and folders in one place. After the Manage Resources page loads, you'll see a list of existing projects if you have any, along with their IDs and other details. Near the top of this page, you'll see a button labeled Create Project. Click that button to start the project creation process. A form will appear asking for details about your new project. First, enter your project name. Choose something descriptive and meaningful, especially if you'll be working with others or managing multiple projects. For example, you might reference the application name, the environment, or the client. You can usually change the name later, so don't worry if it's not perfect, but make it clear enough that you'll recognize it at a glance. Next, you'll see fields related to your organization and parent resource. If you're using a personal account, you may only see a default organization or even no organization at all, and Google will handle this automatically. In a business or team setup, you may have to choose the correct organization and optionally a folder that will act as the parent for this project. The parent resource helps keep projects organized, so if your company uses folders like development, staging, or production, make sure to place the project under the right one. Take a moment to confirm that the organization and parent resource are correct. This is especially important in managed environments because permissions and policies often come from these higher levels. Once you're happy with the project name and the organization or parent selection, click the Create button. Google Cloud will now set up your new project in the background. You'll usually see a notification appear when it's done, and then you'll be able to select this project from the project drop down at the top of the console. That's all you need to do. You've successfully created a Google Cloud project, and you're ready to start enabling APIs, setting up resources, and configuring permissions inside this new space.